Have you ever wished you could grow your money? Imagine being able to turn a small amount into something much larger over time. It might seem like a daunting task, but the truth is, you don't need a lot to get started. You don't need a lot to get started. In fact, the journey to financial growth often begins with just a small step. Even $100 can make a difference. Think of it as planting a seed. This small amount, when invested wisely, has the potential to grow significantly over time. It's like planting a small seed. Just as a seed needs water, sunlight, and care to grow, your investment needs time, patience, and smart decisions to flourish. With time and care, it can grow into a strong tree. The process may be slow at first, but with consistent effort, your small investment can turn into something substantial. Investing is for everyone, not just the wealthy. No matter your background or financial situation, you have the power to start building your future today. When you invest, you're giving your money a chance to work for you. Instead of just sitting in a savings account, your money can grow through various investment opportunities. It's like having a little helper that earns more money for you over time. This helper, your investment, can multiply your initial amount, creating more wealth for you in the long run. Don't wait to get started. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow and compound. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Time is one of the most powerful tools in investing, allowing your money to benefit from compound interest. Remember, even small steps can lead to big results. Each small investment you make adds up over time, contributing to your overall financial growth. Investing is a journey, and every journey starts with a single step. Each decision you make today can have a significant impact on your financial future. Today, you can take that first step towards a brighter financial future. By starting small, you set the foundation for larger financial achievements down the road. Let's explore how you can turn $100 into an investment. With the right guidance and a bit of patience, your small start can lead to significant financial growth. So, why wait? Start your investment journey today and watch your money grow. The stock market might seem scary at first. The constant fluctuations, the complex charts, and the overwhelming amount of information can be intimidating. Many people feel anxious when they see the market go up and down, fearing they might lose their hard-earned money. But think of it as a place where companies come to grow. It's a dynamic environment where businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations, seek to expand and innovate. By investing, you're supporting these companies in their journey to create new products, services, and technologies. When you invest in the stock market, you're becoming a part owner of those companies. This means you share in their successes and, yes, sometimes their failures. But with ownership comes the potential for growth and profit. Your investment helps these companies hire more people, develop new ideas, and contribute to the economy. Over time, the stock market has helped many people grow their wealth. Historical data shows that despite short-term volatility, the market has a tendency to rise over the long term. This growth can help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or funding your children's education. It's important to remember that investing involves some risk. Market downturns can happen, and it's possible to lose money. However, understanding these risks and having a well-thought-out investment strategy can help mitigate them. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide guidance tailored to your individual needs and risk tolerance. But over the long term, the stock market has consistently gone up. This upward trend is driven by economic growth, innovation, and the increasing value of companies. By staying invested, you can benefit from this long-term growth, even if there are bumps along the way. Think of it like a roller coaster. There will be thrilling highs and nerve-wracking lows. The key is to stay calm and not let short-term fluctuations derail your long-term plans. Just like a roller coaster, the ride can be exciting and rewarding if you stay the course. There will be ups and downs along the way. Market corrections and bear markets are natural parts of the investment cycle. They can be unsettling, but they also present opportunities to buy quality investments at lower prices. But if you stay seated and enjoy the ride, you're likely to reach your destination with a smile. Patience and discipline are crucial. By focusing on your long-term goals and not getting swayed by short-term market movements, you can build a solid financial future. Remember, the stock market is your friend, helping you grow your wealth over time. To start investing, you'll need a brokerage account. A brokerage is like a store where you buy and sell stocks. Choosing the right brokerage is important. Look for a brokerage with low fees. Fees can eat into your profits, so it's best to keep them as low as possible. Also, choose a brokerage that is easy to use, especially if you're a beginner. Many brokerages have helpful tools and resources for new investors. They can guide you through the process and answer any questions you may have. Section 4. ETFs, your basket of stocks. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a great way to invest in the stock market, especially for beginners. Think of an ETF like a basket of different stocks and assets. When you buy an ETF, you're investing in all the companies in that basket. This helps to spread your risk, which is very important for any investor. ETFs are also very affordable and accessible. With just $100, you can buy shares of an ETF and start investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks. Section 5. Investing in big names with small change. Have you ever wanted to invest in big, well-known companies? Many people dream of owning a piece of giants like Apple, Google, or Amazon, but the high stock prices can be a barrier. Fractional shares make it possible, even with a small amount of money. This innovative approach to investing allows you to buy just a portion of a share, making it accessible to everyone. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a share. This means you don't need to save up hundreds or thousands of dollars to start investing in your favorite companies. This means you can invest in companies with high stock prices, even if you can't afford a full share. Imagine being able to own a piece of Tesla or Netflix without having to spend a fortune. For example, if a company's stock price is $500, you can buy a fraction of a share for $100. This flexibility allows you to diversify your portfolio and spread your investments across multiple companies. This allows you to participate in the growth of these companies without breaking the bank. By investing in fractional shares, you can take advantage of the potential growth of high-performing stocks, even if you only have a small amount to invest. Additionally, fractional shares can be a great way to learn about investing. By starting small, you can gain experience and confidence without risking large sums of money. Many investment platforms now offer the option to set up recurring investments in fractional shares. This means you can consistently invest a fixed amount of money, gradually building your portfolio over time. Consulting with a financial advisor can also help you make informed decisions about which companies to invest in and how to balance your portfolio. Ultimately, investing in fractional shares can be a powerful tool for achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or simply looking to grow your wealth, fractional shares offer a flexible and accessible way to invest in the stock market. So why wait? Start exploring the world of fractional shares today and take the first step towards building your financial future. With small change, you can invest in big names and watch your investments grow over time. Section 6. Keep going. Keep growing. The key to success in investing is consistency. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, the power of compound interest will work its magic over time. Compound interest is like earning interest on your interest. It's a powerful force that can help your money grow exponentially over the long term. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger. The same thing happens with your investments when you reinvest your earnings. Section 7. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Taking the first step towards investing is an exciting moment. You're embarking on a journey towards a more secure financial future. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to get started. With as little as $100, you can open a brokerage account, invest in ETFs, and start building a diversified portfolio. The key is to start today and stay consistent. Investing is a journey that can lead to financial freedom and peace of mind. Take that first step today and watch your money grow.